Imagine a superfood sitting in your kitchen cabinet that you've been using to spice up your dishes, but could actually be adding years to your life. That's right, we're talking about ginger. This unassuming root, with its distinct flavor, is more than just a culinary delight. It's a health powerhouse that's been hiding in plain sight, right in your kitchen. What's truly shocking is that despite its widespread use in cooking, most people over the age of 50 are blissfully unaware of the health benefits they're sprinkling onto their food. Regular consumption of ginger can significantly reduce the risk of chronic diseases, boost your immune system, and improve overall health. It's a simple addition to your diet that can have profound effects on your well-being. Isn't it astounding that such a common spice could hold such powerful health benefits? So let's dive deeper and discover what ginger can do for us. First up on our list, ginger is a potent anti-inflammatory agent. Inflammation is the body's natural response to injury or illness. However, when inflammation becomes chronic, it contributes to many serious diseases, including arthritis, heart disease, and even cancer. This is where the marvels of ginger come into play. Armed with powerful anti-inflammatory compounds, ginger can help keep inflammation in check, potentially reducing the risk of these diseases. Let's dive deeper into the science behind this. Ginger contains a variety of compounds, but the ones with potent anti-inflammatory properties are gingerols and shogals. These compounds inhibit the production of pro-inflammatory cytokines, the substances that trigger inflammation in the body. By blocking these substances, ginger can help reduce inflammation, offering relief from symptoms of conditions like arthritis. In a study published in the journal Arthritis and Rheumatism, researchers found that patients with osteoarthritis who consumed a specialized ginger extract experienced a significant reduction in knee pain. This goes to show that ginger isn't just a spice, it's a natural remedy with clinically proven benefits. Ginger's anti-inflammatory properties don't stop at arthritis. They extend to cardiovascular health as well. Chronic inflammation is a key player in the development of heart disease. By reducing inflammation, ginger can potentially lower the risk of this life-threatening condition. A study in the Journal of Nutrition found that daily ginger consumption was associated with an 8% lower risk of developing chronic heart disease. And if that wasn't enough, ginger's anti-inflammatory prowess may even have a role to play in cancer prevention. Inflammation can contribute to the development and progression of cancer. By controlling inflammation, ginger could potentially help keep cancer at bay. While more research is needed in this area, the existing studies are promising. So next time you're dealing with aches and pains, consider reaching for some ginger instead of that bottle of painkillers. Not only will you be treating your symptoms naturally, but you'll also be tapping into a host of other health benefits that this wonder spice has to offer. Moving on to our second benefit, ginger is a godsend for your digestive system. Let's take a moment to appreciate the magic of ginger in soothing our stomachs. Ever had that queasy, uncomfortable feeling in your gut? You know, the kind that makes you wish you could just lie down and hope it goes away. Well, ginger might just be your new best friend. This zesty root has been used for centuries in traditional medicine to soothe upset stomachs. It does so by stimulating the digestive tract, which helps to move things along and reduce the chances of food getting stuck, leading to discomfort. The natural compounds found in ginger, like gingerols and shogals, can help relax the gastrointestinal muscles, reducing bloating and gas. But it doesn't stop there. Ginger is also a potent weapon against nausea. Whether it's motion sickness, morning sickness, or even post-operative nausea, a little ginger can go a long way. The phenolic compounds found in ginger help to relieve gastrointestinal irritation, stimulate saliva production, and suppress gastric contractions, all of which can help control nausea. Now, these benefits can be a game changer for everyone, but they're especially helpful for people over 50. As we age, our digestive system often needs a bit of extra help to function at its best. And this is where ginger comes in. It not only helps to soothe the digestive system, but also promotes healthy digestion by speeding up the emptying of the stomach. This can be particularly beneficial for those struggling with conditions like indigestion or dyspepsia. So the next time you're feeling a little queasy or your stomach just isn't playing nice, remember the power of ginger. A simple slice of fresh ginger in hot water, a sprinkle of dried ginger in your meal, or even a soothing cup of ginger tea could provide the relief you need. So if you're suffering from an upset stomach, why not try a soothing cup of ginger tea? Our third benefit is one that's especially relevant in these times of global health crises. Ginger is a powerful immunity booster. It's a remarkable root that's been used in traditional medicine for centuries, and for good reason. Its potent properties can help your body stave off infections and diseases, essentially acting as a shield against harmful pathogens. Now, let's delve into the science behind this. Ginger contains a bioactive compound called gingerol, which is known for its anti-inflammatory and antioxidant effects. These properties are crucial for a strong immune system. Antioxidants combat free radicals in our bodies, protecting our cells from damage and keeping them functioning optimally, but the benefits of ginger stretch even further. Several studies have shown that ginger has antiviral properties. This means it can help your body fight off viruses, making it a valuable ally in flu season or during a pandemic. One study published in the Journal of Ethnopharmacology found that fresh ginger has the ability to fight off certain types of viruses that affect our respiratory system. Another study in the International Journal of Preventative Medicine showed that ginger extract could inhibit the growth of certain types of bacteria. But how can you incorporate ginger into your diet? Well, you can start by adding it to your meals. Whether it's in a stir-fry, a soup, or a smoothie, ginger adds a zing of flavor along with its health benefits. You can also brew it into a tea or take it as a supplement. Just remember, while ginger is beneficial, it should be consumed in moderation. In the grand scheme of things, it's the small, consistent changes we make to our lifestyle that can have the biggest impact on our health. Incorporating ginger into your diet is one such change that can help fortify your immune system and keep you in good health. In an era where boosting immunity is crucial, adding ginger to your diet seems like a no-brainer. And who doesn't want to look and feel younger? That brings us to our fourth benefit, ginger's anti-aging properties. Now, we all know that age is just a number, but it's also a reality we can't escape. What if I told you that ginger, this humble root, could help slow down the hands of time? Sounds too good to be true? Let's delve into the science behind it. Ginger is packed with antioxidants. These are substances that prevent or slow down damage to cells caused by free radicals. Free radicals, in simple terms, are unstable molecules that can harm the cells in your body. This damage is often linked to aging. So how does ginger come into play? The antioxidants found in ginger wage a war against these free radicals, reducing their harmful effects. This can lead to healthier skin, reducing wrinkles and fine lines. After all, who wouldn't love a natural glow? But the benefits of ginger don't stop at skin deep. These antioxidants also contribute to better cognitive function. They help maintain the health of your brain, reducing the effects of aging on memory and cognitive abilities. And overall, by fighting off the free radicals, ginger improves your health and longevity. It's like a little warrior in your spice cabinet, fighting off the enemies of aging every day. So, if you're looking for that fountain of youth, it might just be hiding in your spice cabinet. Last but not least, ginger can be a great ally in your weight loss journey. Now, how does this work, you might ask? Well, let's break it down. You see, ginger is known to have certain thermogenic properties. This means that it can help boost your metabolism, making your body burn more calories. What's more, ginger can also help control your appetite. It has certain compounds that send satisfying signals to your brain, making you feel fuller, longer. This, in turn, can prevent overeating and unnecessary snacking, which are often the culprits of weight gain. But why is weight management so important, especially for those over 50? Well, as we age, maintaining a healthy weight becomes crucial. Carrying extra pounds can put a strain on our bodies, increasing the risk of various health conditions like heart diseases, diabetes, and even certain types of cancer. But here's the good news. Adding ginger to your diet can assist in managing your weight effectively. Whether you prefer it in your tea, or as a spice in your meals, or even as a supplement, it can be a game changer. So, if you're trying to shed a few pounds, adding ginger to your diet might just give you the boost you need. Remember, every little change can make a big difference in your health and well-being. So, why not give ginger a try? So, there you have it. 5 powerful benefits of ginger that you might not have been aware of. Let's take a quick recap. We started by unveiling ginger's impressive anti-inflammatory properties. A simple root, yet mighty in fighting off inflammation and easing pain. Then we delved into how ginger acts as a digestive aid, soothing our stomachs and promoting healthy digestion. We also discovered that this humble root is a robust immunity booster, strengthening our body's defenses against various illnesses. Next, we touched on its anti-aging properties, a natural fountain of youth that helps keep your skin glowing and your body vibrant. Lastly, we explored ginger's role in weight management, a natural ally in maintaining a healthy weight and staving off obesity. So next time you're cooking, don't forget to add a pinch of ginger. Not only will it add flavor to your dishes, but it might just add years to your life.